Hello, this is Fernando from Lodomus.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a small squeezed page for real estate. If you are an agent, a real estate agent, you will need a page to capture emails and phone numbers. So I'm going to show you right away how to do it. It is very easy. I have a WordPress installed in here. I also have a tutorial about how to install a WordPress and how to do everything. I will link it up in this video. Just check the card or in the description. Okay, so this is my WordPress. I have installed a plugin called Thrive Architect. I will also give you a link for this plugin and I will show you the plugin in a bit. Just let me show you that page. This is a page I have just created with Thrive Architect. Okay, so here is the page, the real estate page. This is all a template. You have a lot of templates in here to select from. Plenty of templates. Okay, this is a very powerful plugin, and let me see, it was in the Thrive Biz, this one, in here it is, in Thrive Biz. You have templates for every single niche. Okay, I have selected that one, the Biz Home. You also have for restaurants, for medical. Anyways, this is for homes. Okay, this is the template. Check how good looking this page. You see, you can modify everything in here. You can just click and change. Okay, let me remove that again. You can even change the logo. You can change the image here in the background, of course. Here it is. You can put anything you want. Very easy to do, everything drag and drop. And of course you can change absolutely everything. And you can connect this form with your autoresponder. I won't give the details because every autoresponder is different. You only need an API code. This is a code they give you, and then you can connect this really easy. Okay, so let me show you. This is how it appears on a tablet. This is the page on a tablet. And then the most important part, how it shows on a mobile. This is a mobile view. Let me go down a bit. And you see, this is extremely important. All your pages have to display very extremely good on mobile, because most of the traffic nowadays is mobile. I would say 70-80% of the traffic is mobile. So if you don't have a responsive page, that means a page that looks good on mobile, then you don't have a page. Okay, so you can see how good it looks. Now let me show you the preview page. This is it. This is the page. You can of course modify everything. You can add in here an image or a video, whatever you prefer. This is a good page for Facebook and even for Google Ads, to generate leads for your properties. Very nice page. In here you can add some testimonials, and you only need WordPress hosting and Thrive Architect. Let me show you the hosting I recommend the most. This is SiteGround. For only $3.95 per month, you can have your WordPress. I will also leave you the link below, and I have a tutorial about how to create a WordPress in case you don't know how to do it. But it is very easy, just clicking 2 or 3 buttons and you have it installed on your hosting. Okay, This is for one website. If you have many websites, I would recommend that other option. And this comes recommended by WordPress. So I highly recommend this hosting. Don't go get another hosting. Okay, then this is the plugin I told you about, the one to create landing pages. It is called Thrive Architect. This is the one. I will also give you the link below. With this plugin you can create any page, any page. Okay, and it is very cheap. You only pay 67 for one website. If you want more, of course you can pay more, but if you are just starting with your real estate business, you can use this single license. You just pay for the license and then for the hosting, and that's it. You don't have to pay for anything else. I believe they give you also a domain when you buy the hosting. They do many promotions. I would just have to confirm it with them, but I'm 80% sure they give you also a domain with the hosting. And I also have a blog post that explains everything in detail about how to create a blog, how to pick a name and everything. This is what you need. I would also recommend this section about emails, because you need a database, a CRM, to collect emails and names and phone numbers. With this you have one of the best in the market, which is ActiveCampaign. I will just check the links I will leave in the description, and also on that page I explain everything in here. Very easy to follow. I also have a video in here in the middle of the page, and I will also link to this page in case you need it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm logging off now.